how you can withdraw money from your TonKeeper wallet. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let's get started. So, TonKeeper helps you manage your crypto coins and to withdraw them, what you'll need to do is first open up your TonKeeper wallet. After you do that, you will see the buy and sell option right here in the middle. After you do that, you will see on the top the option to buy or sell. We'll need to go to sell option right there. And after you go there, you'll see sell ton section. Now just expand all. And after you do that, just select a medium. Now here you will see sell ton to bank card instantly. Now just tap on that. And after it loads, if you have sufficient funds, what you'll need to do is you'll need to, select the number of ton coins you want to sell, and it will show you guys as the equivalent amount that you'll get on your bank account. Now, after you do that, you'll have to just go with the transaction process and the amount will be on your bank account soon. So that is how you do it. It is really simple, guys. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to like the video. Bye bye.